Today I'll show you how to install Affinity Designer on your macOS, on MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or any Mac. The first step is to go to Google and search for Affinity download, and then you go follow the steps. You go to the official website, and actually Affinity is part of Canva now, so it used to be some kind of a paid or a longer free trial. Now it's free. So you download the DMG file. This is the installation image file for macOS, MacBook. All you have to do is drag the Affinity icon to the applications folder, and then you can delete the DMG file and unmount the DMG file also. Affinity is already installed. That's how it works. And you have to allow it permission to do what it needs to do to connect to the internet and download the files. Affinity is a really powerful tool for vector design, for graphics, which is not pixels editing but vectors. It's really great, and especially you can use your Canva login to use Affinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.